Hi, in this video, we will understand what a dynamic asset allocation fund is. A dynamic allocation fund is a type of a hybrid fund. We know that mutual funds are mainly of two types, equity and debt funds. Equity funds are those funds which invest their corpus in stocks and equity-related instruments, whereas debt funds are those funds which invest in debt instruments such as bonds, G-Secs, T-bills, and money market instruments. But funds which invest their corpus in a combination of equity and debt instruments are known as hybrid funds. Now coming to dynamic asset allocations. Dynamic asset allocation funds work in a similar way to balanced advantage funds. The key difference is that here there is no fixed ratio at which the fund manager allocates the investments between equity and debt. The fund manager invests in instruments depending on the market conditions. So the allocations are dynamic in nature. If there is a slump in the economy or rising market uncertainty, then the fund manager would reduce the fund's exposure to the equity markets. And whenever the stock market is booming, then the fund manager would reduce their exposure to debt instruments and allocate more money in the equity segment. When it comes to taxation, these funds are generally taxed in the same manner as equity funds, where a long-term capital gains tax of 10% will be applicable for investments for over 12 months, while a short-term capital gains tax of 15% for investments under 1 year. But in case the fund allocates a majority of its investment portfolio towards debt instruments, then it will be taxed in the manner other debt funds are. It is important to know that the returns of this fund would greatly depend on the experience of the fund manager in correctly anticipating economic shocks and booms. This fund is suitable for long-term investing as the returns would be significantly higher that way. Thank you for watching the video.